Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to log into your former Walmart employee login. Guys, for this you need to open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. Now bring up the search bar and type in former Walmart employee login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link one.walmart.com. Click on that link. Now you will be taken to the official website of Walmart. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the login button. Click on that button. Now you will be taken to the new interface which is sign in form. Now simply enter your user ID over here. Similarly, select the country as I am already choosing the United States and select the location as I have already chosen the home office. And once you click on sign in, you will be able to access your account. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.